In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Amazon account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so your new name shows up correctly across your account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to www.amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. If you're not already signed in, Amazon will prompt you as you move into the security section, which is completely normal. If you use a country-specific Amazon site, the wording is usually very similar. On the top right corner of the homepage, click Account and Lists. This takes you to your main account dashboard, where all of your settings live. From here, look for the option called Login and Security, and click it. Because you're about to edit sensitive details, Amazon may ask you to confirm your password or complete a quick verification step. Go ahead and follow those prompts to continue. Once you're on the Login and Security page, locate the row labeled Name and select it to open the name details. Next, click Edit. You'll see a field where you can type the name you want associated with this Amazon account. Enter your new name exactly as you'd like it to appear. Use a clear format such as first and last name and include a middle initial if that's helpful. For smooth deliveries and billing, it's best to use your real name or the name that matches your payment method and identification. Avoid emojis or decorative symbols. Stick to standard letters, spaces, hyphens, or apostrophes if needed. Double-check spelling and capitalization. So receipts, order confirmations, and support communications look correct. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. You may be prompted once more to confirm your identity. Just complete the prompt, and your update will be applied. After saving, Amazon updates your account name across your orders, receipts, and account emails. It may take a moment to refresh everywhere. If you don't see the update immediately, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. A quick note for clarity. This updates the name on your Amazon account itself. Your public profile name, used for things like reviews or wish lists, has separate profile settings and won't change here. Also, if your account is part of a business or a shared household setup, certain details might be managed by an administrator. And that's all there is to it. You went to Amazon, opened Account and Lists, selected Login and Security, chose Name, clicked Edit, entered your new name, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your account details.